Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel RGL Innovations. This video is all about what is the difference between converters and inverters. This is the converters. Converters are electrical devices that convert the voltage alternating current to direct current DC. The input power supply for a converter is AC. $121 AC. And the output power supply for the converters is 17.28 volts DC, and there's a polarity positive and negative. The positive is the red one, the negative is the black one. These converters are usually used on electronics power supply with the DC power supply. This is the inverters. The inverters are electrical device that convert the voltage from direct current to alternating current. It's vice versa. The power supply for inverters are the batteries or the capacitors with the DC power supply. The input power supply for the battery is 12.8 volts DC. And the output power supply for the inverter is 120.8 volts AC. You will notice on the inverters the power supply, there's a polarity of the power supply, negative and positive, and the output is AC. But on converters, the input power supply is an AC and there's no polarity, but the output power supply, there's a polarity, negative and positive. And this inverter they usually use for upgrade power supply if there's no regular AC power supply. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and share. See you next time.